Welcome back, everyone, and for my next project I am going to be updating this antique dresser. It was in kind of rough shape, but it had some great details. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with it at this point, but it had some pretty cool veneer on the front of the drawers as well. So let's get started. The piece was marked Byron, Barwig and Company in Chicago. I had never seen that manufacturer name before, so I did a little research. I love history, and from what I could find out, Byron Barwig was, at one point, he was mayor of Mayville, Wisconsin, and then he was elected to the Wisconsin State Senate in 1914. After his brother died in 1923, he then moved to Chicago and went into the furniture business. So that's about all I know. If anyone else has any information on this man or this company, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear them. The whole piece needed a thorough wipe down with some warm water and some mild dishwashing liquid. There was a little bit of veneer that was peeling up on one of the drawers, so I just needed to glue that back down. I still wasn't sure what I was going to do with the piece, but I knew that I wanted to leave some of that beautiful veneer on the drawers, so I went ahead and stripped the whole piece. I used a hard bristle nylon brush on the details so as not to damage or scratch the wood any further. I decided to stain the whole piece. So as I was doing that, I was moving the drawers around in my garage and I accidentally dropped one of them. It took a big chunk and damaged the center of one of the drawers, and so I needed a solution to fix it. I was pretty mad with myself, but accidents happen. You just have to make the best of it and move on. So I repaired the damage. I knew I would never be able to match that pattern of the veneer. So I repaired the damage and thought I would just paint a little design on it. First I tried a stencil. I must have tried 4 or 5 different designs on that drawer, but it just wasn't looking right. So I decided to go ahead and just paint the whole drawer. And then to tie it all together, I decided to paint the outside frame of the dresser as well. Three coats of bare satin polyurethane, a little Howard's Feed and Wax to refresh the drawers, This piece was quite a challenge. From the get-go, I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, and so I was just working along, and then sometimes accidents happen and send you in a completely different direction. So let's take a look at the final piece.